In this video, you'll learn how to back up your WordPress website on Bluehost so you always have a safe copy of your site to fall back on if something goes wrong. Whether you're making big design changes, updating plugins, or just want peace of mind, having a backup system in place is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for inside your Bluehost dashboard. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost portal. This is your main control panel where you manage everything related to your hosting account and websites. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main home or dashboard view. If you manage more than one site or service with Bluehost, you might see several options here, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the website section. Next, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, find and click on Websites. This section is where Bluehost lists all the WordPress sites that are attached to your account. Clicking Websites might take a second to load, especially if you have multiple installations, so give it a moment. Once the websites page loads, you'll see a list of your sites. Find the site you want to back up. To the right of that site, you should see a Manage button. Go ahead and click Manage. This opens the management area for that specific website where you can handle things like performance, security, and in this case, backups. After you click Manage, you'll notice a menu or series of tabs near the top of the page. These tabs let you switch between different tools for your site. Look for the tab labeled Backups. When you see it, click on Backups. This will bring you to Bluehost's backup interface for your WordPress site. On the Backups page, you'll be able to see information related to your site's backup status. Bluehost typically handles backups automatically, so you don't have to manually download or create them every time you make a change. In most standard setups, Bluehost will automatically back up your data on a weekly basis. That means once this is set up, your site is regularly being saved in the background without you needing to do anything extra. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page. Take a look at the available backups, the dates they were created, and any restore options that might be shown. Even though the system is automatic, knowing where this section is located and what it looks like will save you time if you ever need to restore your site after a problem. While Bluehost handles the weekly backups, consider occasionally checking this area, especially before and after major updates, just to confirm that everything is running smoothly and that recent backups are available. If you ever install a new theme, change your design, or add important content, you may want to make sure a recent backup exists before making big changes. And that's it. You've learned how to access and understand the backup section for your WordPress site on Bluehost, and you know that your data is being backed up automatically every week.